Have you ever taken a moment to imagine what it would feel like to supercharge your mind, enhancing your memory, concentration, and mental sharpness, simply by listening to a straightforward audio track? What if I told you there's a practical, all-natural solution? No pills, no complex methods. That can help you tap into your brain's full capacity. Let me introduce you to Brain Song, an innovative audio experience designed to do exactly that. Stick with me until the end to understand how it works, who it's perfect for, and why thousands are already raving about the life-changing results. And just a quick heads up, the official and secure link to try Brain Song is in the description, so you can check it out risk-free. Brain Song isn't just another audio program. It's a powerful tool specifically designed to deeply and effectively activate your brain. It uses a technique based on brainwave frequencies. The idea is straightforward but incredibly effective. You listen to sound waves that are scientifically engineered to stimulate targeted areas of your brain, helping it work faster, sharper, and more efficiently. Although this kind of technology has been around for a while, Brain Song stands out because it's user-friendly, accessible to everyone, and applies a unique blend of frequencies crafted to elevate your memory, focus, and attention. Ever had one of those days where focusing feels nearly impossible? Now imagine if you could flip that around in just a few minutes a day. That's the magic of Brain Song. It offers crystal clear mental clarity and improved information retention, all without effort or complicated routines. People who've used Brain Song are reporting noticeable boosts in focus, learning ability, and even reduced mental fatigue and anxiety. This is key because when your brain is worn out or overstimulated, everything suffers. These audios are designed to restore and energize your mental state, helping you stay sharp and productive. And it's not limited to one type of person. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or simply someone who wants to keep a sharp mind as you age, Brain Song has something valuable to offer. To make things even better, it comes with no risk guarantee, giving you the chance to try it out completely worry-free. That's how confident the creators are in what Brain Song can do for you. Getting started is simple. Just carve out a few quiet minutes each day, pop on some headphones, and press play. For best results, listen during calm moments, like before work or study sessions, so your brain begins to associate those times with peak performance. Here's a pro tip. Make it a daily habit. That way, you'll train your brain to respond even more powerfully, creating a cycle of consistent improvement. Ready to give your mind a true upgrade? Brain Song is waiting. You'll find the official link down in the video description, along with that exclusive guarantee, so you can try it with total peace of mind. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with someone who could use a mental boost, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tips. See you in the next video.